Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the Samsung Internet app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Hold down on the Samsung Internet app until this menu appears. Tap Uninstall from the options. Tap OK on the pop-up. You can also disable the Samsung Internet app in your phone's settings. To do this, open up the Settings app and scroll down to and open Apps. Tap the search icon in the top right corner and search for Internet. Click on it to open the app settings. Tap Uninstall at the bottom. Then tap OK on the pop-up. The Samsung Internet app is now uninstalled. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.